Hey, beautiful people, welcome back. I am the extraordinary Miss Shep, and you have made it here at Miss Shep Menu. Okay, on the menu today, I'm going to make vegetable quesadillas. I think. Come with me and watch me cook. I'm making these veggie quesadillas because I feel like I needed a break from, the ground turkeys and ground chicken. So anyway, I'm going to wash my green peppers, my white cap mushrooms, my guavas, and grape tomatoes. Now, the stuff that came in this bottle is all gone, but I like the bottle because I like how it sprays. But I added water, a little bit of bleach, and a little bit of soap. And so I spray my vegetables and fruits when I clean them with this 3 times, and then wash them and get them all nice and clean, because I know how those mushrooms can be. That's why I didn't trust them. But anyway, I slice my thoroughly clean veggies, add it to my hot oil in my pot, and then I season them. And then, of course, I had to hit it with some chipotle seasoning. Yeah, I added my sea salt flake. I mean, my sea salt flake salt. No, my flake sea salt off camera. Ooh, we say that 3 times real fast. Anyway, it's time for me to, put everything together. So there's my wrap, my tortilla wrap, and then I added my cheeses. 3 blends that I do myself. I shave it myself. Mozzarella, sharp, and Colby Jack. Then I added my well-seasoned, got the house all smelling good, veggies. And then I added a teeny bit more cheese on top of that. Then I add my wrap. I let it cook first for about 5 minutes before I flip it. Then I let it cook for an additional 3 minutes. And this video is brought to you by Oils and Bars Soaps. Oils and Bars oat milk and guava soaps are made with skin soothing guava, moisturizing and hydrating oat milk. Get you some Oils and Bars real oat milk and guava soaps today.
Get with the program. I love her soap.
Hey, beautiful people, don't forget to follow and subscribe to me, like this video, and leave me a comment and let me know if these look bussin'. Yeah.